Hey everybody, it's Heather from Hooked on Pickin. It is Monday, and if you are a reseller, you know Monday is package, and more package. So in this video, we're going to show you all of us, we're going to gather all the items together, and then I'm going to give you profit totals on what did we make this weekend, because on Monday you have to package everything that you have sold Saturday, Friday evening, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday. And so I'm going to give you profit totals on Hooked on Pickin, eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, Amazon Merchant Fulfill, Amazon FBA, and Facebook Marketplace. Whether we sold anything or nothing, you'll have total numbers for what I did this weekend. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, so we've got all the packaging done for Hooked on Pickin, and so with everything that you just saw us package, it comes out to 10 different orders, and there are sometimes multiple items in the order, but you saw us sell some of our home decor boxes, which were the large boxes that I was carrying. So there's a large size and a small size, really fun things in them. So they're home decor mystery boxes, really cool. But Hooked on Pickin, 10 orders for $316. Okay, so we just finished eBay, one item. I'm waiting for payment on another auction, which I wish they would hopefully pay for, but I'm not going to count it sold until I get payment. One item, you saw the game, sold for $15. All right, so we are done with Mercari. 2 items sold on Mercari, and I was able to use the relist button to relist one of the items because I do have more of those, but that larger box, I don't have any more. So $22 is what we made on Mercari. All right, on Poshmark, we had lots of orders. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23 orders over the weekend, $190, and that's after fees, $190 on Poshmark. Okay, so we have Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, and you saw us do 2 items. We had like an essential oils pack that we sold for $12 after fees, and then that big, long, huge box is actually a curtain rod, which we made $25 on after fees and after shipping. So we're at $37 total on Merchant Fulfilled. All right, do you want to know how much I made on Amazon FBA? Well, I don't have anything to ship because I don't have to ship those items. Yay! All right, so Saturday and Sunday, I sold 32 items for a total after fees of $376. And last but not least, Facebook Marketplace. I don't often sell a lot of things, but this weekend I actually sold 1 item for a total of $10. All right, so we have got everything added up. Look at all the stuff I had to package. And that doesn't even include all the stuff I've got sitting over here on the table. That's going to go UPS. So total on all of my platforms, I ended up with $316 on Hooked on Pickin for 10 total items. eBay, $15 for 1 item. Mercari, $22 for 2 items. Poshmark, $190 for 23 items. Amazon Merchant Fulfill, I only sold 2 items for a total of $37. FBA, Amazon FBA was 32 items for $376, and Facebook Marketplace was 1 item for $10 for a grand total of 71 items just in this weekend for $966. Woohoo! That was awesome sales. So those are our sales for the weekend. I'm super excited to share this with you, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, this is a new series I'm going to be doing so you can see my weekend sales every Monday. And hopefully, if you would like to buy some things from hookedonpickin.com, I don't even know if you can see the sign back there. It's buried behind all of my packages, but I love to package everything and ship it out super fast. I've got my home decor mystery boxes. I've got my women's clothing mystery boxes, and of course, my toy mystery boxes, all available at hookedonpickin.com, as well as a bunch of reseller guides. And if you want some reseller help directly from me, you can call me and set up a consultation call at hookedonpickin.com.